Do you act like this in a salon?
It hurts. Well, no one does this to me in a salon.
Doing this salon.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. So last night, after I got out of the shower, it was probably 9 p.m. I asked Ava to cut my hair for me. Just a little trim to get the scraggly bits off of the bottom. Well, as you know from last week's video, she made my hair pink, and that all went okay. But I'm gonna say that the hair cutting did not. I figured an inch off the ends would be a pretty easy thing to do, and I don't know what happened, but here's some of the hair that came off. I'm pretty sure that's more than an inch. And then she kept going. So what we're gonna do today together is watch that video from last night. I mean, I can see my hair in the mirror that it's not even, but let's take a look how it got that way. Now, I haven't seen it yet, but I know it's in there. Anyway, let's take a look. Oh.
How short do you want it?
I just want the scraggly stuff off of the bottom.
Good choice.
Oh.
Here we go.
Are you just going to do it?
Yeah.
Alright.
There's no need to plan.
I'm going to need to change my clothes when I'm done, huh? Okay, that's fine. Huh, it's too much. Where is it? Oh, okay. Okay.
I can handle this.
Oh. That's a lot. That's short enough. Should we do a close-up of it? So let's talk about stuff while we're cutting here.
Okay.
Why are you laughing?
Because I'm so comedic. Trying to show the camera what I'm doing. Oh.
How's school been going?
It'd be better if I was on the other side because then they could see what I'm doing. School's stupid and I'm fried.
Yeah.
Much better.
Okay, so now are we done?
Your beauty takes time.
Yeah, lots of time.
It's been 5 minutes. Okay, time for the side. Stop it. Stop it. Don't put your head down. Get all of this. Do you want some bangs?
I didn't know. Still under here. Oh, my child is mean to me.
Somebody requested that I start an ASMR channel.
That you do what?
That I start an ASMR channel.
Yeah.
So here I go. Nope.
Are you going to cut the hair off of that? It looks like that's what you're doing. No.
No, I'm cutting your hair and putting the microphone there.
ASMR. Okay, sure.
A little ASMR for you viewers today. I'm starting my ASMR career on skip2mylou
Oh. Okay, go ahead. Here, let me hold it so that you can... Well, let's do... Don't get frustrated with your mother. Okay, so just cut that. All right. Even though there was a lot less elder abuse in this video than last, it's not as bad as I thought. Well, let's see. I mean, what is that? Let's look from the side. Of course, I can't. I don't know. It really doesn't matter to me. I think she did not do a good job, but she also knows that I really don't care about that kind of stuff. It's just hair. But I care a little and enough to try to style it right now and see if the unevenness on the bottom, what's this, can be hidden, oh boy, by curling my hair. Actually, we're going to wave my hair today because I chose a tool, excuse me. This one, straightening it would be a mistake. So we're going to wave it with this, and I chose this because it had the longest cord. It doesn't look that bad. Not as bad as it did in the video. All right, I've done a beach wave tutorial with this thing before, and sometimes I prefer the flat iron to an actual curling iron for this. Oh boy, I don't know how hot I have this thing. It goes from hot to inferno style. There's one. My hair is still pink, as you can see. I thought it would have washed out by now. There's been 3 shampoos, so. And if you want to know how I do this, here it is. There's a little curl in there. I clamp it at the top and I start turning it and I wrap it around. And I even twist a little bit as I go down. I think Ava took off about, I don't know, 2 inches in some places and then maybe 2.5 in others, but it is a lot easier to curl my hair now, especially with this thing, because when your hair's long and you start from the top and you pull your way down, by the time you get to the bottom, the top has straightened out. This piece hates me. So should we talk about television programs? Because I don't know about you guys, but I've been watching a lot of TV. I've been binge watching Forensic Files, and I watched the latest season of Ozark, which I could not wait for it to come out, and it was not a disappointment. I watched Bloodline, which I liked very much, but I didn't feel like the ending was to my satisfaction because there really wasn't one. It needed another season. Okay, I'm going to snap my fingers and the rest of this will be done. So here's the back. It's my cowlick right here. But here's where you should be able to see anything uneven. But it could also be uneven because I curled some pieces more than others. Anyway, I did not let my kid cut my hair because we are quarantined. I usually don't go to salons to have my hair cut because it's just too simple, straight across, and I'm a do-it-yourselfer or do-it-herselfer. So today here in Colorado, it is white out snowing. Let me take a peek. Edit that. Snow has fallen. What's it like where you guys are? Let us know in the comments down below where you are and what the weather's like and anything else you want to mention down there. Also, have you guys been doing any DIYs yourself at home? And what is the strangest one that you've done? Or are willing to do? Or is it just the, you know, roots and eyebrow plucking? Let us know in the comments down below, but for now, that's it for this video on my kid cutting my hair. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't think you learned anything. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.